So if you can recall, a few weeks ago, I put some soil down and planted some 14-year-old grass seed to see what would germinate from it. I'm coming on maybe 2 or 3 weeks now, maybe 2.5, and that kind of experiment was a bit of a flop. So I went out today and I bought some Pennington Smart Seed. It's good for sun and shade. It's for fescue, perennial rye, and bluegrass lawns. Okay. It'll cover about 2,330 square feet. So I'm going to go scratch up that area and we're going to reseed it. Stand by. Now this seed, each seed is encapsulated with a fertilizer. And there's also some starter fertilizer in the bag as well. So this is the area I had done, but really didn't come out that well. So we're going to sprinkle another layer of seed in here, and then I'm going to scratch it in. Unfortunately. There are quite a few weeds coming up here along the edge. I'll deal with that after this grass comes in. And it's established, I'll spray them. I don't think there's any rule on how to really broadcast grass seed, but it is what it is. Probably 80% done, yeah. And we'll water this in, of course. Hand's turning green from the fertilizer on the seed pods. And I'm going to say that's pretty good right here. Just a little bit more right along this edge. All right, let's rake it in. And I'll just sprinkle a couple of areas lately. That might have been covered in leaves. Just scratching a little bit, just so the seed just goes under the dirt slightly. Not heavy, just very light scratch. Really easy to do. And then we'll just do a light sprinkle over everything. Very light. Very light. Okay. Now just a very light sprinkle over everything, and then we'll water this in. And it's just very light. Yeah, about 10 minutes to do that whole job. Not so bad. I'm just going to walk around a little bit, pat it down. No big deal. And as soon as my wife finishes showering, we're going to water this in. So we've got a bed of seed raked in, and then a little top coat on it. And obviously I've used more seed than I thought I would, because I think that's what you typically end up doing. All right. So that's it. Now let's see how this baby comes in over the next week or so. Hopefully we get some good germination. Thanks for watching.